Come on, girls.
All right, so first up, hubby is gonna move this. And I should probably get the stuff off of it. Okay, I left the log. It can go. Let's see if we can nail it. Pretty close. Oh, heck yeah. First try. Keep going. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I think that's as good as we can get.
Come on. Okay. Sorry, I need to adjust. Can't see. I'm gonna have to go up because I can't see.
Oh yeah. Log and all. Oh my gosh. Bruce is supervising. Oh, that's so cool. I'm so stoked. Is that gonna fit through trees? I don't know. might not come this way. He is gonna come this way. Go around. No, it's gonna go down and around. Okay. I think that's a better idea. Okay, I don't know if this is actually a better idea or not. He's going to fit through those two trees. He's going to fit there. And no, he can. He definitely can. Okay. Can you see? Whoa. Wait, this tree. Go that way a little bit. This tree.
Which way? This way? And really, he can just put it wherever once he's in here. I don't care. Oh. This is so wicked. Wherever you want. There. I love it when he follows my directions. I don't know if he's going to get out of it straight back. A little bit more. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Look at that. It's down here. There it is. Boom. There it is.
you on it. And I didn't even drop the log.
I know it.
I love you. Alright, so now you're gonna get what? Oh, that guy?
Yeah.
I should have stayed up there. Okay. What's that? Okay, I gotta adjust those real quick. Oh, I love you. Alright, first.
So hubby just adjusted the forks. You can see that he just pushed it over. Like one notch on each side because this is smaller than the last one. So he's gonna pick up the chicken porch goat whatever thing and take it on down. Now I can see our heart. I have the best wife in the history of the universe. This would be much easier if he was actually on flat terrain, which he is not.
but it's so cool. It just slid down. That was quite funny. So he could put, I mean, I'm not very picky right now. He can put the stuff wherever he wants. I just want it on a flat spot. That's all I care about. So we can get this fencing moved and everything. It's very exciting. Really, bud? Let me walk through this mess of crap. Okay. Stupid tree again. Right there is fine. I think he's gonna line him up. That's awesome. Oh. Yes. Oh, I love it. Awesome. So that one might need a little more reinforcing, but that's okay. This is wicked. Hubby's wicked. I am loving it. This will be a playground in no time. Here comes Brutus to inspect our work. What do you think, buddy? Is it acceptable? I'm gonna take that as a yes. Thanks. You know, if you look where you're going, you won't trip as much. Just a little hint about walking. PSA, Brutus. Use your eyeballs. Okay, so we got goats coming to check it out. What do you think, Snow? Oh. Alrighty. It's done. Well, these two are down here. We're going to build more. Yeah. Phase 1 is done. I guess phase 1 was flattening, so we're in the middle of phase 2.
Well, this will be phase 1 to fill. This is good enough space if you need to go more.
Okay.
Just get a feel of the land. Here.
I love it.
And we're going to connect them all.
We're going to connect them. We're going to add scritching bars, roosting bars, all sorts of stuff. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a fun project.
The goats will be happy.
I hope so.